Hello and welcome to my channel. Welcome to the DigitalBlackmagic channel. My name is Christoph and I hope to find you all well. Today I'm going to discuss how to restore personal data onto a new computer when your old system died and all you have is an Acronis backup. It is vital to have the Acronis software installed on the new machine before you proceed. There are two different ways of opening the Acronis image. I will show you both and I will on top tell you how to avoid a problem which is not obvious. Have fun with the video. At the desktop you can see the little icon which represents a hard disk. The context menu offers the option Acronis and then Mount. Clicking on Mount opens another dialog. Here you can select the partitions or hard drives you want to mount to your system as a virtual hard drive. Be aware that some partitions are only technical and you really don't need them. But in my case, I leave the default and select the appropriate partition with my data in the aftermath. The mount takes a little while. You will be notified when it's done. When the disk image is mounted according to the selection, you can open the Explorer and access the mounted drives just like using an external hard drive. You can select data and copy it to another location as you would do with an external USB drive. Most user data is stored in the profile. Users' profiles can be found in the folder Users and then Username. Trying to access these leads to a problem, so it is required to gain administrative access, which is denied, unfortunately. This special dialog offers an option to open the security info of this folder. That's what I do. Using the Advanced button leads to another dialog. In the top section of this dialog, you can find that the system is unable to display the owner's name. And that is perfectly fine, because the owner is unknown to my new system. The owner is only known in the old environment. Even if the name is exactly the same, the user ID is different and therefore it cannot be found in the current system. Next up, I will set a new owner. First, I select the location, which is my current system. In the next step, I will select the user who is logged in at the moment. Now I can leave the dialog with OK and click Apply. This doesn't work, since Acronis backups are not supposed to be changed. The mount is always read-only. The unfortunate outcome is that you can't get the data this way. But let me show you another way of retrieving the data of a user's profile. Using the context menu of all edit drives, we need to unmount the Acronis image in the first place. With all the drives unmounted, the file containing our backup is now free of any links and can be used as a normal file again. Double-clicking on the icon, which represents the file, opens another Explorer-like window, which is now Acronis' interpretation of that backup. Again, you have multiple partitions to choose from, and then you have the exact same folder structure as seen before. But we don't have a file system denying access, because it's Acronis opening Acronis' file. This is why we can easily walk through to the Users section and select the profile we want to copy somewhere else. I'm going to end the video here. I've shown you how to transfer data of an old backup onto your new system. Of course, this may lead to other complex problems, but For now, you have your data, which you back up using Acronis, back on your new computer. And that's an achievement. I hope you liked the video. Feel free to drop a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this one. Please leave suggestions in the comment section below. I'm looking forward to my new video and I'll see you again in the near future. Goodbye.